Hello? In Cebu, Philippines, allow me to greet you, to wake you up. Good morning and good more earnings. Okay, so what make difference of my talk this afternoon is I'm gonna highlight you with my 16 years experience working with developers and working with fellow brokers and agents, appraisal. Okay, with my colleague, associate business partner, Gas, also presented you the valuation and everything. To this time, I'm gonna present you more about the trend, the planning, and especially the execution at what our friends mentioned earlier, sales and marketing. So allow me to share you my experience and hope I can give added value to all our participants this afternoon. So evolution of resort condotel, trend, buy, sell strategy for the modern investors. Based on my experience with developers, yeah, it's easy. It's a big player. That's all the dream of the brokers to scale up. But the problem, always problem with the developer is we make money on this project A. But the next challenge, if I buy land on the nearby development because it's doing good, my profit will be eaten the next time I buy land. Not all developers can afford have so much liquidity to land banking, except if you are an listed company. But still, if you're a listed company, you still have that limitation or high risk of doing land banking. Again, I have already few friends, developer. That's the biggest challenge of developer. Quick money, quick sales, but the next passive income, the next income. Now, let's go to the small player, brokers, and small investors, corporate investors. What type of project they are willing? Why are they buying properties? Of course, most of our clients, they buy property for two major reasons. One, cash flow. Number two, capital growth. So this afternoon, I'm going to focus my talk about those topics. So allow me to give a little background about evolution. All of us know about this one. So the condotel model started with a time era of timeshare. So I cannot afford to buy condo, but I want to stay there. It's a big money making before timeshare. Then it evolves to condotel model with part of ownership. And soon it devolves to more model condotel, which we discuss majority this afternoon. Now, why condotel is a one big market? Why? Because we brokers, developer, we try to attract buyers, investors. But each of us developer building condotel are competing among each other. We forgot to tap the real market. With my advanced study in Singapore, in US, how to attract capital fund market in the real estate market. How to attract small investor, corporate investor to invest. If we can get the share, the investors of the bank who put their money in the bank, who put their money in the equities, in the corporate bond, who put their money in the insurances, let's attract. These are all paper assets. And they're all vulnerables. We are in the tangible. But point like this, one of my clients, which is part of our training, I always ask people who sell condotel, resort villa condotel to me, okay, how much is my investment? Okay, what's my ROI per year? Okay, I'm a foreigner, what's my legality of ownership? Okay, what's my security of my investment in case of worst thing happen? Last part, what's my exit strategy? So if we can address all those top 5 questions, you can tap your local buyer, your local investor, or any other high-paying jobs professionals, not only local and international. Okay, so I'll walk you through more on this packaging. So of course, resort condotel, we're familiar, gives us dual utilities like for vacation and income, less hassle management, for a lawyer, engineer to park their money and enjoy potential growth appreciation than putting your money in the bank, you will eat up by the inflation, and so on. Oh, sorry. So cash flow. in the Condotel model, there are a lot of model cash flow. Like we have the revenue sharing based on your actual income of your unit. We have the rental pool. Regardless if your unit is rented or not, you're guaranteed. Or commonly used now for a number of years, guaranteed income. Exit strategy. You can resell it to the open market or buy back with a value appreciation and ownership exchange. Current trend now focus in a prime location like we have here, Condotel in Pattaya. We have also here in Cebu, but I'm more giving you a lot of case study later on Cebu. So additional benefits allow me to share this, especially based on our experience in Cebu and local Philippine market. Most Condotel now in the Philippines and I think another part of the globe added this package, Golden Parachute. Or you invest in Condotel worth 10 million, you get a residence visa. In case of something happen for political and whatever, I can fly Dubai and be a resident in Dubai. Or I can fly see Philippines and be a resident in Philippines because I have a residence visa because I'm an investor of one Condotel in Philippines or in Spain. So this will attract not only local, this will attract foreigners to buy Philippines or me, buy in Thailand, in Japan, in Dubai, in Spain, having additional package. Another thing, yes, I buy a villa, but I'm one of those one of person that if I stay in that place, I might be go back 1 or 2 times, but I frequently love to travel to stay another place. But having this type of your free nights of 15 or 30 days, I can use it to the chain of hotel of XYJ resort, or I can exchange it with RCI. We're familiar with RCI. So if you can be more motivated, that gives more attraction to your packaging, to your proper project. Guaranteed income and guaranteed exit strategy. Yes, you're giving me guaranteed income for the next 3 to 5 years, but do I have a guaranteed exit strategy? I'm a foreigner. Can I sell it in the open market? Yes, but I'm not guaranteed. If I want immediate income, so there must be a window on a certain year that I can sell it back to foreigner. I'll give you a case study later. Insurance, of course. In Philippines, you buy, you get a title. As foreigner, 100% ownership. And it's willable. Can be inherited by your family. But it's also insurable in case of 100% loss, like fire, like as long you package all with insurance. So this is one of the added and more scaling up Condotel now, just like what mentioned by our friends from India, farm, resort, model Condotel, especially the pandemic, it transformed. It's a transformation. The crisis developed a transformation to sell our mountains for villas and resort development. So, case study, number 1. You're familiar with Double Dragon. It's a listed company in Philippines, and they're trying to be listed in NASDAQ, in New York Stock Exchange, NSE. Their business model is they identify all the frequently traveled business area in the Philippines and all major tourism to put up a hotel Condotel model where a foreigner can buy, have a number of days, free stay, less hassle, rental pool income, plus a residence visa. So they are now busy duplicating this thing in the Spain, Europe, in Japan, and soon in US. So we local, if I am a lawyer with cash flow every year, I'm happy with my package now, I can buy another, next year I can buy another, then you can attract the same buyer to repurchase additional unit. Because if Gus will buy a house, when is the next time Gus will buy another house? But if Attorney Gus making a lot of money as a lawyer, he don't like his money sleeping in the bank earning 1% with an inflation of 5 and 7.
he wanted this type of model. Okay, this model, it gives you a residence visa, one of the strengths. It gives you a guaranteed income, but it does not give you a guaranteed exit strategy. You can only sell it in the open market. But good thing your number of days, you can use it in Cebu, in Baguio, in Manila, or in other project of Hotel 101. Now, another case is, this is another example of a local player in Cebu in partnership with a branded hotel management group, Ascot, and they are selling service apartment, 3 to 4 star level, at the same time, rental pool sharing. Is there an exit strategy? No. Is there a residence visa? No. Okay, as I told you, not all one package happen in one project. This is another case. G Park Resort is in Mactan, the case presentation of my friend Gas. This is owned co-part with Koreans at Cebuano, now 100% owned by Cebuano. They sold this exclusively with the Koreans before, now with Filipino, and they give 7% guaranteed income. And this is a rental pool. This is 100% ownership. And they give you a guaranteed buyback on the 10th year. So if Gus wanted to sell it the open market, opened, okay. But if he's so busy, he had the window on the 10th to 11th year to sell it back to the developer with 100% plus 10% growth. So that's a guaranteed buyback for this project. But there's no residence visa. Okay, this is resort in Bohol. One of my project in Bohol with my client, we operate pre-selling. During the operational, we give a guaranteed 7% first 5 years. After that is a rental, 3%. First 3 years, we give 7%. On the 4th year onward, actual rental pool and sharing. But the good thing here, I created a portfolio like to compete with a time deposit. You get a time deposit of 5 million, you get a guaranteed 7%. On the 6th year, I can get buyback 100% of my money. With a 30 days stay, I can use in Bohol and other project we have in Philippines. And you can partner also with our residence visa. Okay? And to end my presentation, this is my recommendation to all my colleagues here for developers. This is the complete package if addressing the 5 questions. Screenshot this one. Provide investor's visa or residence visa with your package. Free night stay and can be used in any projects you have or your partners. Insurable and ownership flexible and exit strategy. Thank you. Good morning, everyone.